नायब वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद इसहाक डार ने ईरान के खिलाफ इसराइली जारियत के हवाले से खिताब किया है। आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
Strongest possible terms of the unjustified and illegitimate aggression committed by Israel against Iran. We stand in solidarity with our brothers and sisters in Iran and offer our deepest condolences at the loss of numerous lives as a result of targeting of civilian areas by Israel. Israeli aggression took place at the IAEA was continuing its verification activities in Iran. Israel has thus violated international law, IAEA statute and several IAEA resolutions by attacking the IAEA safeguarded facilities. These attacks risk setting a dangerous precedent and pose a grave threat to the safety of populations in the entire region and around the globe. Excellencies, Pakistan fully supports Iran's inherent right to self-defense under Article 51 of the UN Charter in response to the blatant and unprovoked Israeli aggression. Excellencies, double standards are on full display when it comes to Israel. There is no talk of the rule of law, the rules-based international order, or consequences for illegal actions. This impunity must end and end now. Israeli aggression against Iran is not an isolated event. It is part of a dangerous and consistent pattern of militarism that Israel has demonstrated across the Middle East. Israeli aggression represents a dangerous escalation and is a serious threat to peace and stability, not only of the region, but the wider world as well. Excellencies, as a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council, at Iran's request, Pakistan fully supported convening an urgent meeting of the UN Security Council last week to discuss Israeli aggression against Iran. We expressed our full support and solidarity with Iran during the meeting and called on the Council to urgently take action to end Israeli aggression. But unfortunately, the Council remains paralyzed. We have also supported various other initiatives related to Iran and will continue to do so, including a statement by the foreign ministers of several Islamic countries as well as within the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and on the board of IAEA. We also support the resolution of the Iran nuclear issue through peaceful means, diplomatic engagement and sustained dialogue. Excellencies, I hope that meeting today will not only express our unwavering solidarity with our brotherly country of Iran, but will also send a clear message that Israel must be held accountable, and that is that its reckless aggression cannot be allowed to jeopardize the peace of the entire region. I thank you all.
OIC वज़रा ख़ारजा काउंसिल का इजलास जो कल चल रहा था उसमें इसहाक डार ने खिताब किया था। नायब वज़ीर आज़म इसहाक डार उन्होंने ईरान के ख़िलाफ़ इसराइली जारियत के हवाले से खिताब किया था।